Everybody, 10:57, 21 seconds, February 15th. This is now the final mini for the Tales of the Crypt, from the Crypt 4.5, issue 20 or issue 1. Here are the 20 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place will get the first 7 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get the final available spot in the main, and I will immediately run the main, and I will get this out in today's mail to the winner. Okay, number is 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's the final one. 9. Brody Stokely comes in first and second. John Tung comes in third. Brody Stokely gets the first 9 spots. John Tung gets the last available spot. Time is 10:58.